Let's talk about Ethereum. The more important chart right now, to me at least, is the ETH BTC chart. And so far, I mean, we are at a spot where we kind of have to show reaction at some point, and we haven't yet. Definitely not. In fact, not only have we not shown a bullish reaction, we've also retested this previous low here and started to reject from it. So right now, this is looking like we should be at least taking out this low and maybe look for a reversal here. But at the same time, also this liquidity structure down here is looking pretty ugly for the bulls. So, I mean, it's a bit scary, but this could as well. This could just do this as well and take out this low and then potentially form a bottom. Remember, you can expect a reaction, but as long as you don't see any triggers on the lower time frame, it's irrelevant. And this is exactly what happened here. I was looking at this level and also this small fair value gap down here to give us a reaction, but it didn't really happen. We saw a small bounce, but then just rejected off of the more important level, actually the level that I needed to see reclaim. So ETH is still absolutely weak. Make no mistake about it. And looking at the setup that I think I shared this one in my last video. Yeah, this is a kind of a interesting spot right now. Number one, you can already see the magic of the FIB tool, right? Like I think every trader should at least know how the FIB tool works and yeah, potentially also use it whenever you look for an entry. As you can see, like this is the bearish golden pocket and this is the bullish golden pocket. We respected the bearish one on the bounce, and then now we are trying to hold the bullish pocket. So this is not what I'm expecting, but this is what I wanted to see, or what I need to see in order to really start to be interested in betting the house, as you can see here. So I'm looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside, and then a correction. When I have my 5 waves up, then I'm going to pull the FIB tool, and I'm going to look for a retrace into the golden pocket, preferably on like if what happens next is impulsive, then I want to see like a slow grind into my golden pocket, and then I'm looking for longs here. That is the general idea. And for now, I mean, this idea is still alive, still valid. We need to see a break above this level next. And like there's nice confluence with the monthly open. So if we now get a sort of a smaller 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the 3, as well as at the same time breaking above the monthly open, then all of this here might end up being the the monthly wick in the bullish case. Again, right now there's no reason to be bullish. There's no reason to expect bullish price action. But if you know crypto, this can change in a heartbeat. This can change in, I don't know, 1 or 2 days, and we're trading up here and everybody's excited again. So yeah, the monthly open is a big one for me. And I think there's nice confluence. If we push now, if we reclaim the monthly open, if we get another impulse into the 3, then I think this idea might have some legs. And then we're waiting for the second correction and the 5th wave and a 3-legged retrace. Yeah, that is it's not even a prediction. It's just my perfect outcome. And I think that is actually a good habit to have for anybody that wants to become a trader or that is struggling. Try to put on the chart what you would like to see in order to get into a position. Whenever you do that, and whenever your prediction basically becomes reality, then it's there's a pretty high chance that your trade is gonna work out, right? So this is sort of a practice that I also talk about in my mentorship a lot of times. Don't be a passenger, be the driver. So right now, if this happens and price does basically what I'm hoping for, then I was a driver. I was the one who made the decision and got what I wanted, basically. I think that's enough for today. That's all I'm seeing on ETH. Is there something else? Is there something I'm missing? Maybe that we have a pretty big consolidation going on here. So even if I get into a long and I see a sort of a reaction at this level here, a bearish reaction at 3K, then I might be looking for shorts. I mean, this is way in the future. Right now, we just need to see any form of bullish price action, or we might head lower and yeah, maybe print another low. The problem with shorting is that right now we are trading at such a high time frame level, being this general support and resistance area here, and we are testing it for the first time since breaking it. I don't see any reason to short here. I see a lot of reasons to potentially be bullish or bearish, or have a bearish bias, but the bias needs to see the price action to go along with it. And right now we are respecting the golden pocket on the lower time frame, so I don't have any reasons to, you know, just randomly place a short here and expect lows. If it happens, it happens. But yeah, in general, I think bounce and some upside is more likely. And the final decision, how high the upside and how high the bounce might be, is probably going to be decided when we trade around 2,550. If we just get a weak sweep here and then a retrace, then it's looking pretty bad. But if we see a push above and consolidation above this level, then we might push higher. We saw the same on Link. This is what I'm talking about. So Link actually did what ETH is not even able to do. We pushed into these highs, but we've seen an SFP and we are selling off ever since. So yeah, this is also not looking too sexy right now. Yeah, but Link is a topic for another video. I just wanted to show you what I mean, right? Like, this is what you don't want to see if you are long and if you are expecting bullish price action. If this candle closes above here, then this would be a different story. All right, have a great weekend, and I talk to you guys in the next video.